letters that Persians, Iranians have more than Arabs. Arabs, they have 28 alphabet letters. Iranians have 32 alphabet letters.
And so you're saying
for
this is Iranian
It
and
is both
Persian.
Arab and Iranian. So you know, Persians and Iranians are the same. They are synonym, right?
Okay.
Persians and Iranians are synonym. Arab alphabet has 28 letters. Okay? Iranian or Persian, Farsi language has 32 letters. Farsi has 4 letters more.
Okay.
4 alphabet letters. Those are Che, Pe, Je here, and Ge.
And G is like our G?
Ge is like, yes, G in some parts you like giga. When you want to say giga, you say Ge.
Oh, okay.
But in another word, maybe you pronounce it in another way.
Okay.
So it is Ge, yeah.
And
This
you were
is
saying
Che.
this is 0.
This is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very cool.
1 through 9. That's beautiful. So this one that you have actually contain both Arabic alphabet as well as Persian or Iranian alphabet, both together.
Very cool.
Yeah, that's really beautiful.